Hello everyone, I, INDERPREET Singh, Faculty of BBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. In this lecture, I am going to explain evolution of business policy and strategic management. Business policy originated in 1911 when an integrated course in management was introduced at Harvard Business School as a part of curriculum. Almost 50 years later, business policy course became very popular due to two expert studies held in New York. The evolution and development of business policy traced through management practices. There are four phases identified by Hofer et al. By which strategic management process have developed. First is paradigm of ad hoc policy making till 1930s. It focuses on short-term planning of day-to-day operations. There was an era of mass production, that is maximizing output, normally a single product. Their focus was confined to functional areas. Second is paradigm of integrated policy formulation, that is from 1930s to 1940s. In this era, technological innovation and competition arises at a mass rate which led to the planned policy formulation. Still there was no direct participation of top management in policy, and still there was no direct participation of top management in planning and policy formulation. Third phase is strategy paradigm, that is from 1940s to 1960s. In this phase, the focus was more on strategic decisions based on competitor action. Firm had to anticipate environmental changes. A strategy needed to be formed from critical look at basic concept of business and its relationship with the existing environment. Fourth and last phase is paradigm of strategic management, that is from 1980s till onwards. Globalization of economy changed the competition level. In this scenario, the focus was on strategic process, and top management took a step forward by assuming their responsibilities and resolving strategic issues. So, I hope you have understood this topic. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you very much.